Hello, fellow astro enthusiasts. If you are living in Europe, you're probably getting ready for partial solar eclipse. hmm I'm getting ready. I have my 8-inch dobsonian prepared for visual observation, and my son is already enjoying it. I'm using my equatorial platform that tracks the sun and is actually in the center of the field of view for over 45 minutes. Cannot get better picture in the sun in the eyepiece. For finding the sun, I'm using simple 3D printed solar finder where the sun is shining through the small hole and gets projected on the center cross, and that way I know I have it in my eyepiece. For the eyepiece I use 20mm extra wide angle from Sky River. And for tracking purposes, I'm using my equatorial platform that I have built. Don't forget to always use front-mounted solar filters in order to block the harmful UV light or UV light. And later on, I will image the sun also with the Dwarf 3 smart telescope that it's getting ready. So it starts at 7:10 p.m. in my location. Fortunately, I will have only around 30-40% of the sun coverage, but at least it's something. So, see you later. I'll show you the results. Unfortunately, the sun is setting down and I won't be able to see it for much longer. And it's difficult to find. Ah, here it is. Here you can see the glimpse of sun setting. There is already the rooftop seen from my obstructions, but yeah, at least I could see something.